regions, sina one regional detachment, nakuma sub-regions, masiya nakuma ward, masiya nakuma VD. It's very important ukuthi sihloniphane comrades. Nathi as leaders, we should respect comrades who are working with us and nabo basihloniphe, because irrespect is two-way. Inkokheli or abaphathi or abantu abanikezwe irresponsibility, I must say, or i-task yokuthi baphathe i-position ethize emkhontweni. It's not permanent. You know that, right? Siyavuka kusasa ubani akasekho sokhona omunye. Kusasa ngaba khona any of us who seated here, because we are all capable. But ngeke siphathe sonke ngesikhathi esiyi-one. Sonke talented masila. uNkulunkulu usipha ama-talent sonke as human beings and as people. This is why we are members of the organization. So akusho ukuthi umuntu uma ngabe ku-detachment or ku-structure esithize must look down upon amanye ama-comrades.